everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you how to get your credit balance up on TEMU. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. So first thing first is that all you have to do is to install the TEMU application in your mobile phone. So for that, just go ahead and click on the Play Store and open up TEMU application. And once you've opened up the application, sign in with your official account. So once you have been signed in, what you have to do is to participate in the promotions. For example, if there are any sort of promotion that are available on the Temu, all you have to do is to avail that. For example, just go to your profile, see all the promotions and other stuff that are present there. The other thing is that you can refer this application to your friends. How can you do that? So all you have to do is to go to your profile. In the profile, go to the settings, and in the setting, there's an option which says share this application. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you will be able to share this application with your friends. So that is the one way how to get your credit balance up. The other way is that sharing this application on the social media by making sort of videos that you might have seen on the different sort of application and ads that the people do making videos on the people are do making videos about the Temu application, and that way they are making their credit go up. So the other thing is by contacting the customer support, reach out the Temu customer services for assistance and inquiry. They may offer credits as a gesture of goodwill. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.